Hi friends, welcome to Kingdom Tech. So today topic is what is system.out.println. Okay. So in the Java, first we internal working principle of what is system, what is out, what is println. It's we know first. So system is a final class. Final class. Okay. That belongs to Java.lang package. Okay. Out is a instance variable of a system class that return type is print stream class, which belongs to Java.io package. Okay, and print or println. What is that? Is method name which belongs to Java.io package. Okay, we know that definition. So now we learn that what is internal working. So in that working principle of a system class, so I'm final class system. Okay, I have a final class. Okay, and we have a public print stream and out object reference. Okay, this is called the Rook's concept. Aggregation means that system class has a relationship relationship relationships. System class has a print stream class. Okay, fine. What is print stream class? That class print stream. There are multiple methods we have. Okay, the one is printf and println. Okay, so in the practical, in the real-time CR scenario, we have a class main class demo. Okay, in the practical scenario, we have a main method. Okay. Main okay. String. Okay, that inside the main method, we can write what that write system.out.println of method any output string which print the output of the console. Okay, fine. It also Eclipse ID shortcut control plus space. Okay, and control plus space and sysout. Type sysout and then control plus space. Okay, it's a shortcut. So now it's clear that have a system class. That system class we have a object reference of a system class that have return type is print stream and println method. It's belong to the print stream class. Okay, thank you.